If you're an allergy sufferer who dreams of cuddling a cat, listen up. You don't have to choose between breathing and purring. Let's talk allergy-friendly felines. Meet the hypoallergenic cats. First up, the Siberian. This fluffy beauty, it's got less of the sneeze-inducing protein that drives your nose nuts. Next, the Balinese. Don't let the fur fool you. It's known as the long-haired Siamese and is a big win for allergy peeps. Got style? The Russian blue brings the looks and fewer allergens. Or try the Bengal. Exotic spots, low allergens, high energy. But hey, don't believe any cat is 100% hypoallergenic. These breeds just make life easier for us New Yorkers with sensitive noses. Pro tip, brush them often, keep the house clean, and maybe invest in a good lint roller. So don't settle for a goldfish. Your perfect allergy-friendly cat is out there. Go find your new best fur end.